Don't turn here to the book of 2024. They tell me that by February the 20th or the 30th, one of them, because I only thought there was 20 some days in February, but anyway, they tell me that the reserves and all the army and the material will be going to Israel, and they've been called. They done got the call. They've been told they got to go to Israel to help clean up. Now, TikTok, I'd rather you hear it from me, because I got a way of putting it out here. I want you to know that this country may not have a military to protect it, but that's okay. I need you to understand today. We are at a time in our life where you need to get real familiar with some protection. You need to train like you ain't never trained before. If you ain't used to running, I suggest you practice. I suggest you be ready like you in the military yourself. If something tap on your door the wrong way, I'ma need for you to protect your family and your territory. I want you to know that Jesus is not coming down here to do it for you. I want you to know there ain't nobody gonna be able to save you. But that's okay, cause you can save yourself. Don't be scared. Don't tremble. Don't be faint. The children need you to teach them how to shoot and protect the house. Shit done got deep. Oh yeah, the school's gonna have some trainings with the teachers now about portals. Yeah, I'm telling you, and bullets ain't gonna stop the aliens. So you might wanna be making sure that your heart is pure and that you're rocking with the right type of protection. Cause this shit is finna get real. Now, I just wanted to put that out there to you. I'm calling on all our vets. I want you to know we are here with you. We know you're ready, and I send you love. And every country bucking out here and goddamn fool who got a brain enough to know that they gonna protect their family, I salute you. You just got a call. And every child that's out there that's been watching daddy and mama at the range, baby, you just got the call. It's time, family, to stand up in this bitch, and I'll see you later. I'll be back in a little while now. The end is on, y'all, and we ready. Come on.